What's up, y'all? Your boy Dump Truck here with TC Bros, and today in front of us we have got a Moto Iron Wishbone Springer front end, and that's good for 04 and up Sportster, 91 to 17 Dyna. And I'm going to show you how to install a 2000 to 07 narrow glide front wheel. First, you want to separate your wheel components from your brake components. So as you see here, we've got our axle, this is our wheel spacer, and then we've got our axle nuts. On this side, I've put our two thrust washers and our spacers for the brake caliper. All right, to simplify things a little bit, we're gonna go ahead and pre-build our brake side. So this does not come pre-assembled, so make sure you use some thread lock on these two Allen heads when you put the caliper and bracket together. And here on the bench, we're gonna grab our large brake spacer here. You can see it's got a little bit of a shoulder. The shoulder goes on the outside. This is the other shouldered spacer. Big side goes to the center. Then we've got one of our thrust washers. Go ahead and run that through the bracket. Your other thrust washer, and then your final spacer. Everything after this, you're gonna need an extra set of hands. Today I've got my homie Tim Cobb here, one of the bros of TC. All right, we're gonna start on the brake side for this. Go ahead and take your axle. Start to run it right through the entire assembly. And then now we're gonna add the wheel spacer. And finish it off with the axle nut just to keep it on. Don't tighten it down yet. And now we're gonna secure our brake rotor to the Springer front end. If you look on the inside of the fork leg, remove this plug. So we've got our thread locker on our Allen bolt. One that right through the Heim joint. Add your spacer. Run it down to finger tight. This also does not come pre-assembled. You do not need thread locker, as that is a nylon lock nut. Now that we've got everything loosely assembled, we want to remove the axle nuts so we can center the axle. And here, just using your eye, you want to look for equal threads on either side. Does not have to be exact. Add thread locker to your axle. Go ahead and wind these down. Now we want to torque these down to 60 foot-pounds. Now we go back and tighten everything else up. .3/8 combination wrench on the thread locker, and we've got 5/16 Allen. Now we have to adjust the linkage here. You want to back down these lock nuts. All right, now we're gonna just tighten the jam nuts and we should be good to go with our final test. All right, now you wanna take your wheel and spin it. Make sure it runs free. You don't hear any binding. You don't hear any scraping. That means now all you need is a tire. For more information on the installation or any of the products that you see here before you, go to tcbros.com. Now that we have everything loosely assembled, we want to remove our axle nuts.